Okay, so asked to rearrange the formula to make y the subject. Right, the first thing that I want to do is get all the y's on one side of the equals and anything without a y on the other side. So I'm going to bring that xy over. Okay, so that's going to give it its opposite sign. And 5 plus the 7x, taking the 7x over to the other side. Right, now what I can do here is I can factorise with the y and call that 4 minus x. Okay, so y times 4, 4y, y times x minus xy is equal to 5 plus 7x, which means that I can divide through by this 4 minus x, and I would get 5 plus 7x divided by 4 minus x. And there we are. Y is now the subject of the formula. If you'd like more support with maths, my email is on screen. You're very welcome to get in touch.